principles of hot seam welding are the same for linoleum as they are for PVC floor coverings. The main difference between the two products is the melting point of the weld cable. Therefore, the heat settings of the welding gun and the welding speed are critical. The tools required for hot seam welding are a grooving tool, a welding gun, and a trimmer for trimming the weld cable. Forming a seam by leaving a gap between two sheets of floor covering will reduce the contact area of the weld, resulting in a weak weld that will fail early. Factory edges of sheet material should not be abutted together to form a groove. The seams should always be overlapped and cut. Incorrect or inconsistent groove depth can cause problems. A good close-butted seam should be grooved out using the grooving tool recommended for the type of floor covering being used. The groove should be of a consistent depth, approximately 2/3 of the material thickness. In the case of linoleum, this is just above the Hessian backing. Compact and foam back products such as acoustic floor coverings, the groove depth will be different.